Welcome to mathematics. Today's session we will do a little bit revision for your essay 1. So let's start with fill in the blanks. Copy the question and immediately you will fill it with me. Question number 1. The smallest composite number is. Just think and fill it. Can you check the answer from here? It is 4. Question number 2. A closed figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a. What is that? Quadrilateral. A closed figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Go for question number 3. 1 crore equals to dash millions. You have to think Indian place value chart and the international place value chart also. Just try to complete. If you have completed, so please check it. It is 10 millions. Question number 4. 1 lakh equals to dash 10,000. How much 10,000 will make 1 lakh? It is 10,000. Have you finished? Go for the next one. The successor of 99,999 is. Successor means you have to add 1 with the number and get the immediate next number. So how much it is? It is 1 lakh. Next question. The predecessor of how much? 1,23,400 is. Predecessor means you have to do minus 1. So how much it will be? It is 1,23,399. Question number 7. The smallest multiple of 17 is. If you find out the multiples of 17, the smallest one, 17 ones are 17. Next, question number 8. The biggest chord of a circle is. What is that? I know you all can answer. It is diameter. The biggest chord of a circle is diameter. So please complete it. Next one, 9th. The smallest prime number is. What is that? It is 2. Copy the next one. 10th one. The whole number which has no predecessor is. The whole number which has no predecessor is. Please fill the answer. It is 0. 11th one. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by dash also. It's a rule of test of divisibility. Can you remember? If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. Yes. Finish it. Next, go for question number 12. Sum of 2 whole numbers is also a whole number. (13) A ray PQ is denoted as. The symbol of ray you have to write along with PQ. How to? PQ, on the top you have to draw a small arrow. Yes? Please fill it. Next one. Question number 14. A line segment AB is denoted by. If it is a line segment, how we will denote it? AB, on the top a small bar. Yes, these are very important. Next, 15th one. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Complete all the fill in the blanks. I'll give you some more. 16th one. Repetition of a Roman numeral means. What is that? Addition. Next one, 17th one. The distance between two parallel lines is always constant. The distance between two parallel lines is constant. Next one, Roman notation for 100 is, what is that? One of the basic symbol. It is C. 19th one, XX plus II equals to how much? X means 10. So XX, 10 plus 10. How much? 20. Plus 1, 1. Means 1 plus 1, 2. So how much? 20 plus 2 gives you 22. So remove this plus sign and write it off. So it will be XXII. Go for the next one. 20th. A polygon has at least dash line segment. Can you tell me what is that? It's a triangle. Triangle is having 3 line segments. So a polygon has at least 3 line segments. 21. It is a number pattern. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So you have to fill these 2 blank spaces. You can see it's a square of natural numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So it will be 6 square 36 and then 7 square 49. There are so many. So I have given 1. Now look at the heading here. Please copy it also. Insert commas and write in words in Indian system of numeration. Copy question number 1. 400896627. So you have to draw the Indian place value chart. Then you have to place those digits in the right places. You have to insert commas and then you have to write in words. Okay. So please do it. I know you all can do. If you count, it is units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So till 10 crore your place value chart will be there. I hope you have done already. So please check it. Now you have to insert commas. Please do it and then write in words. So here you can see the commas. Now write in words. It is 40 crore 8 lakh 96,627. Please check the answer. I hope all of you have completed also. Go for the next question. Insert commas and write in numerals. Copy the heading and the question also. Question number 1. 23,519,656. It is given in words. You have to write in numerals. The question has been given in International System of Numeration. So please recollect the International Place Value chart. Then insert the digits. And finally, you have to put the commas also. Yes? So please do it. If you have forgotten, you can follow my table. Units, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million, like that the International Place Value chart goes on. So here it is 23 million. So million will get only million and 10 million. So 23 million is over. Then 519,000 After that 656. I hope you all have done. And finally the commas. In international system, what we'll have to do? Skip three places, insert one commas. That's all. So please check it from here. Look at the next question. Find the place value and the face value of 7 in 1237086. So please copy the question and try to work out right now. Place value and the face value of 7 in 1237086. I hope you have underlined like this. And now find out the place value of 7 first. So units, tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000. So the digit multiplied by the value, place value. So 7 into 10,000 will give you the place value of 7. And face value is nothing but the digit itself. Yes? So please find it. So place value of 7 equals to 7 into 10,000 equals to 70,000. And the face value? It is nothing but the digit 7 itself. Yes? Let's work out this sum. Estimate to the highest place and find the product. Copy the heading. And the question also, it is 4568 multiplied by 69. So you have to estimate 4568 to the highest place, and for 69 also you have to estimate to the highest place. Then you have to find the estimated product. Okay, let's start. So for 4568 the highest place is 1000, and for 69 the highest place is tens place. So please do this estimation. So 4568 is estimated to the highest place as, you have to check the before place, means 1000, then you have to go for 100 place, it is 5. If it is 5, add 1 with 4, so it became 5, and rest of the places will be replaced by 0, so it will become as 5000. And for 69, tens place is 6, so you have to check the before, means it is units place, it is 9, so 1 will be added up with 6, so it will become 7, and 9 will be replaced by 0. So 69 is estimated to the highest place as 70. So finally you have to find out the estimated product. So it is 5000 into 70. So 5 sevens are 35 along with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Yes. Now work out this sum also. Estimate to the highest place and find the quotient. Copy the question. 8224 divided by 84. So first you do the estimation for 8224. Then you estimate 84 to the highest place also. Then find out the estimated quotient. So 8224 is estimated to the highest place as 8000, because before 1000 it is 100 and it is sitting like 2. If it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, what will happen? 8 will not be changed. Units, tens and hundreds will be replaced by 0. Okay. And for 84 the highest place is tens place. Before that it is units place and it is 4. So here also 8 will not be changed and 4 will be replaced by 0. So 84 is estimated to the highest place as 80. Now you have to find out the estimated quotient. So do the division and find the quotient. It's very easy. So estimated quotient equals to 8000 divided by 80. It gives you as 100. Look at the next question. Find the common factors of 30 and 40. Can you tell me how to do? Yes, you have to find all the factors of 30 and 40. Then you have to compare and find out the common factors. So in your working column, you find out all the factors of 30. Okay. So for 30, what we can write? 31s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6s are 30. Yes. So please do it. For 6 5s are, 10 3s are, 15 2s are, 31s are same. So we are not going to repeat. Okay. So write down all the factors of 30 are. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. The same way we will do for 40 also. So 1 40s are, 2 20s are, then what will be? 4 10s are, yes. Please find it, and finally it will be 5 8s are also. So factors of 40 are, what are those? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. So what are the common factors here? You can underline 1, 2, 5 and 10. So please underline. Here you can see I have already underlined 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So write down the final answer. Common factors of 30 and 40 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Work out the next sum. Find the prime factors using division method. Question number 1, it is given as 48. So you have to find out the prime factors of 48 using division method. Can you remember how we have done division method? So you can try with me. So write down 48. You have to find out the least prime number which can divide 48 exactly. And it is 2 here. Can we? Yes. Let's start. Draw a line, and where we'll write that 2? It will be just here. Okay. Now we are going to divide 48 by 2. So the quotient will come down. So draw one more line and write down quotient here. It is 24. Okay. So for this 24, we have to proceed the same way. So we will think of the least prime number which can divide 24 exactly. So it is also 2 here. So write down 2, divide 24, write down quotient. Have you written? Now try for 12 also, the least prime number which can divide 12 exactly. So you can try with 2. Yes, 2 6s are. Okay. Write down the quotient. 6. For 6 we can try with 2. Yes, 2 3s are. So 2 will be here and then 3 will come down. For 3 we have to try with the least prime number, but it is not divisible by 2. So we have to try with 3. 3 1s are 3. So we have to continue the process till we get the quotient as 1. Okay. So the prime factors are what here? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. If you multiply these prime factors, you should get back the number 48. Okay. So please write down prime factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 2s along with 1, 1. So the prime factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Look at the next question. Are 23 and 44 co-prime numbers? How to find out whether these numbers are co-prime or not? We have to factorize both the numbers. If they are having 1 as the only common factor, then only these two numbers will be co-prime numbers. Okay, so let's start. In your working column, you factorize 23 first. So 23 equals to 1 into 23. That's all. 23 is a prime number. So the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Let's go for 44. You can see here 1 into 44. 2 into 22, 4 into 11. That's all. So write off. Factors of 44 are, what are those? 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. So you got the factors of 23, you got the factors of 44. Now find out the common factors. What are those here? Here it is 1 and 23, here it is 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. The common factors are only 1. Okay, so if 1 is the only common factor, then only they are co-prime numbers. Okay, so we can write that 1 is the only common factor. So the final answer, 23 and 44 are co-prime numbers. Look at the heading here. Copy the question also. You have to find out the value by suitable rearrangement. The question is 2 into 1768 into 50. So rearrange them and then find out the product. I hope you can do. So take 2 and 50 together. So how will you write it? So 1768 into 2 into 50. So we have used one property. Can you tell me what's the property here? It is associative property of multiplication. Now complete the multiplication part. Means 2 into 50 gives you 100 along with 1768. Write down the final step. It is 1768 along with 2 zeros. Copy the next sum. 837 plus 208 plus 363. You have to rearrange them and then find out the sum. So which two we can take and carry on our sum? You can take 837 and 363 because we have to choose according to their units place. After doing the sum, we should get in terms of tens. Yes, so please write it. So we can arrange them like this: 837 plus 363 together and then 208. Okay, so finish up the first part. If you add, the sum will be like 1200 plus 208. Now finish up this addition and write down the final answer. If you have finished, you can check it here. So it is 1408. Copy the next heading. Find the value of the following using suitable property. The question is here 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So it is given in the form of A into B plus A into C. So use the property and arrange them and then find out the value. Okay, so how we can write it? Please do it. So we can write it as A into B plus C. Yes. So which property we have used here? It is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So now find out the addition part, means 17 plus 3, it is 20. So next step you can write it as 297 into 20. Okay, finish up the product. So the final answer, you can check it here, it is 5940. Let's work on few problems on geometry. Observe the figures and identify them. Look at the figures in question number A and B. Identify those figures. In question number A, B, C, D and E, F, 3 lines are there. So what kind of figure it is? I know you can tell they are parallel lines. Yes? Because they don't have any common point. If you extend A, B, C, D or E, F, they can go till infinity, but they will not meet anywhere. and the distance between AB and CD, that is also constant. If you think of the distance between CD and EF, that is also constant. So these lines are parallel lines. Okay, let's go for question number B. PQ and RS, they have met in one point. So these two lines are intersecting lines. Yes. Look at the figure C and D and identify them. Please try. In figure C, you can see two rays and they have a common point. They meet in one point. Yes. Whereas in D, there are two rays but they are not meeting. Okay. So what is this figure C? Can you tell me? The figure formed by two rays with the same initial point is called an angle. So figure C is an angle, whereas figure D is nothing but rays. Okay? They are two independent rays. If they meet in a common point, then only they can form an angle. I hope you are clear. So we're going to write figure C is an angle, whereas figure D is nothing but two rays. Look at these two figures E and F and identify them. In figure E, there is no opening for the figure, it's a closed figure, whereas for F, you can see there is one opening, so it is an open figure. So it's very easy, please write it down. So figure E is a closed figure, figure F is an open figure. Look at the next question. Draw a line segment PQ of length 5 cm. Mark a point S on the line segment. Copy the question. You can work with me. So the first thing you have to do, you have to use your scale and pencil. You have to draw a line segment PQ. Okay. So let's start. Take your scale, place it on your page, and from 0 you have to draw till 5. Yes. Have you drawn? If you have drawn now, you have to name it PQ. Yes. Now the line segment PQ is ready. You have to mark a point S on the line segment. Take anywhere on this line segment a point S. I have taken one point here. You can choose anywhere because there is no restriction given in the question. Have you done? Yes. If the distance from P, it is given, like suppose it is 2 cm from P, then you have to choose 2 cm from P and place the point S here or wherever it will be told. But here no such restrictions or no such measurement has been given to you. So on PQ anywhere you can choose the point S and place it. Next question. Observe the figure and name. You can see the figure here. Name an angle and two rays. So the name of the angle, you can write it as GFE or EFG. Okay. So please write it. Angle EFG or GFE. The symbol of angle also you can give. Here I have given in terms of words. Both are correct. Now name of two rays. Two rays are FE and FG. So please mention it. So while writing the rays, you don't forget to give the symbols for rays. What are those? Small arrow on the top. Have you given? Yes. Then only the answer will be complete. Look at the next question. Draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter and mark center as O, radius as OX, diameter as AB, sector as AOC. Shed the area of the sector AOC, and the final one is segment EFD. So first you have to draw a circle of radius 2.5. So let's start. Have you started drawing the circle? Take the radius as 2.5 centimeter. Use your compass. The pencil should be tip sharp. Draw neatly. Have you drawn? I hope you have completed. Now mark your center. You can see here I have marked one red dot. Now join the radius. Name center as O. And the other hand you can name it as X. So OX is your radius. Have you done this much? Okay, let's go ahead. Next question is you have to mark diameter as AB. So I have taken one point A here and one more point B here. So you choose any 2 points on the circumference and join them passing through the center O. Okay, so let's do it up. So AB is the diameter here. Have you done? So go for the next answer. Next question is you have to mark sector as AOC and then you have to shed the area of the sector AOC. So for that reason, what you have to do? Take one point as C on the circumference. Anywhere. Choose one point. Here I have taken one point and I am going to name it as C. Okay. So let's join O and C. So the sector you can see here AOC. It is the region bounded by the arc AC and the radii OC and OA. So you have to shade that part also. So please do it. With your pencil only you can shade that area and show it. Here you can see I have shaded the area of sector AOC. Okay. So I hope you all have also completed. Next question, you have to mark segment EFD. So what is a segment? Segment is a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc. Okay. So let's draw a chord first. I have drawn one chord here and I'm going to name it as ED. Okay. And the arc EFD. So the area enclosed by the chord ED and the arc EFD is nothing but the segment EFD. Okay. Look at the next question. Draw a quadrilateral KLMN and state a pair of opposite sides, a pair of opposite angles, and a pair of adjacent sides. So let's start. Draw any quadrilateral and name it as KLMN. Okay. Draw neatly. Here you can see I have drawn one quadrilateral and now you have to give name. Have you done it? I hope you have completed also. The first question was a pair of opposite sides. So if you look at the diagram, you can see KL and MN are opposite sides, whereas NK and ML are opposite sides. So please write it. KL and MN both are opposites. On the top, you please mention the symbol for line segment. Okay. So another pair also you can write KN and LM. They are also opposite sides. Next question, a pair of opposite angles. Look at the diagram and determine which other angles are opposite. If you see the angle K, it is just opposite of M. So NKL and LMN are a pair of opposite angles. Same the way if you think angle N, so that is MNK is sitting in the opposite of MLK. Okay, so please write up. And mention the notation for your angle. The symbol of angle is also very much important, so don't forget it. So you can see KNM, so KNM and KLM, they are one pair of opposite angles. Another one is NML, yes, and NKL, they are also opposite pair of angles. Next question, a pair of adjacent side. Look at the diagram and take any pair of adjacent side. Adjacent side will have a common point like M, N and NK is having one common point as N. So please write it. Please mention the symbol on the top. I mean it's a symbol for line segment. So I have mentioned here MN and NK. You can take any pair of adjacent side and complete your answer. Let's work out few sums on Roman numerals. Copy the heading and the question also. It is 89. So 89 we can write it as 80 plus 9. Now we will convert 80 into Roman numerals and 9 also. So 80 means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So please complete it. The basic symbols I think you can remember. 50 means L, 10 means X. So you can write it like this. 50, then 10, 10, 10. So L, X, X, X plus IX for 9. Now you will remove the plus symbol. So it will be L, X, 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 IX. Okay. If you finished, then go for the next question. It is 256. 256. So can we write it like this? 200 plus 50 plus 6. Yes. Now convert it into Roman numerals. 200 means 100 plus 100. And basic symbol for 50 you know. And 6 also I think you can. Have you completed? You can check it from here. So C, it is 200, L 50, VI is 6. Now remove the plus symbol and write down the answer. So it is CCLVI. I hope everybody completed. Work out the sum. It is 1899. You have to convert it into Roman numerals. So 1899 we can write it as 1000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 9. Then we will convert it into Roman numerals. So please do it. I hope you have written already. So you remember the basic symbol for 1000. For 800 we can think like 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 90 is 100 minus 10 and 9 you all know the symbol. Okay. So please try and complete the next step. Have you done? If you have done, you can check it. 1000 means M. Here 800 means 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So D, C, C, C. Plus 90 means 100 minus 10. So C on the left, X. C means 100. So 100 minus 10. So smaller value will go on the left. And 9 means IX. Okay. Now we will remove the plus symbol and write off completely in Roman numerals. So the final answer is MDCCCXCIX. Now convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Copy this question. Question number A, CIX. How we will do? CIX. So can I write it as C plus IX? Okay. Then C means what? IX means what? Write down in the next step. C means 100. IX means, you know, 9, but I have showed you that it is actually 10 minus 1. 10 on the left, the smaller value, so it will be subtracted. Okay. So 100 plus 9. So 100 plus 9 means 109. So this step 100 plus 10 minus 1. If you want, you can write. If you don't want, don't write. It doesn't matter. You can directly write down the value. C for 100, IX means 9. Add these two and write off as 109. Okay. Go for the next question. Question number B, LXXIII. So LXX plus III. Write it like this. Now L means what? X means what? Can you remember? Think the value and then write it. LXX means how much? L means 50 plus 10 plus 10, and there 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 50 plus 10 plus 10 gives you as 70. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you as 3. Okay. So write down the value here. 70 plus 3 gives you as 73. Okay. Work out this sum. You have to convert it into Hindu Arabic numerals. So here it is XXX on the top bar along with CCC. Can you tell me what does this bar mean? In Roman numeral, this bar means 1000. So X, X, X. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 on the top bar means 30, along with this bar means 30,000. Along with C, C and C. I hope you can do. So please do it. Write it XXX on the top bar plus CCC. Now fill the values. So XXX bar means 30,000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. CCC. Have you written like this? So it is 30,300. Look at the next question. Find the value using a number line. Here you have to find the value of 3 plus 2 using a number line. So please draw a number line and find out the value of 3 plus 2. Okay. Are you drawing? use your scale and pencil, draw a number line and then find out the value of 3 plus 2. Here I have drawn a number line. Now you have to take from 0 3 steps and from 3 another 2 steps. Okay, and check finally where you are landed. That will be the value for 3 plus 2. So you can see here I have taken the first 3 steps. Okay, draw it like this, and from 3 I have taken 2 steps and landed on 5. So the value of 3 plus 2 equals to 5. I hope you have finished drawing also. So you can write down 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Today you have worked out few sums for the revision of your essay 1, but there are so many sums in every chapter you know. So go through all the videos and work out the sums given in the assignment also. It will help you for the preparation of your semester. Thank you, children.